much procrastination, here is everything I own in New York City. Currently living in a studio apartment rented from an artist, so a lot of the stuff in this place belongs to her. Ephraim and I, however, picked out some new furniture recently. It's coming together a lot nicely to our taste. But here's my entire wardrobe, basically, that I've been wearing for the past 4 months. So all spring and all summer, I'm about to go home and change some of these items going into fall from summer. It is that weird transitionary period. Who doesn't love seeing someone's entire wardrobe? It just describes a person. Okay, here we go. First shelf. I have 3 pairs of pajamas, 2 short PJ sets, one in nice beige. This is my comfiest set. Then I have this blue set I've had for literally 6 years. A white nightgown that my mom just purchased me. It's so old and Victorian and vintage. Ephraim says it looks like a nona. You gotta be comfortable when you're a nona. I have 10 pairs of short Under Armour socks that I wear both for running and every day. Then I have 2 long crew neck socks and 1 warm pair of fuzzy socks. You never know if your feet get cold even in the summer and spring times. I have 3 bras, 1 lace bralette, 1 strapless bandeau, and 1 normal comfy bra for the everyday. I do laundry every week, by the way. And 14 pairs of underwear. You know, like to be detailed. It's interesting to know this stuff. Moving on to the second shelf, which is tops and workout clothes. I have 1 yellow short sleeve that my mom actually just got me. It was $5 at Costco. I love it. 1 plain white tee, 1 red t-shirt. A lot of my clothes are either thrifted, gifted, or stolen from my mom or sister. Yeah. 2 tank tops, one cream colored one brown one, which works for my skin tone. And then I have a few long sleeves that have served me in the spring. I have a cream colored boat neck long sleeve, a striped long sleeve that I wear all year round. This butter yellow sweater that my mom gifted me this past spring that I will still be wearing in the fall time all year round. Workout clothes. I have 3 short workout sets. I will be getting my long workout sets from my house. Even most of the time throughout the year, I do run in short workout sets because even if it is a little chilly outside, you run 9 miles, you sweat a lot. But I do have layers. So in addition to my 3, I have a quarter zip from the Philadelphia Marathon. I am someone who does wear the running merch that you get from every race. Third drawer, a picnic blanket back here and some sandals and like miscellaneous junk drawer or slash things you would put in other places of your house, but there's just no room in this house. So I try to keep all my stuff in one place. So down here for my bottoms, I literally just keep these jeans that I'm currently wearing, a pair of dark wash jeans, 1 pair of shorts that I've had for over 10 years. I no joke got them when I was like 13 or 14, which is embarrassing to admit. I'm pretty sure it's the kids section of Target. 1 short skirt, which is a nice white color, goes with every single top and outfit that I have. Where are your professional trousers and clothes for work? Ha! I'm a nanny, so I can wear whatever I want. That's kid friendly, and all my clothes are kid friendly. I kind of dress like a toddler. Anyway, in this last drawer is where I keep my bags. Honestly, I shoved these bags that are at the top of this thing down in the last drawer also. But here's where I keep all my hats. I've got 2 bucket hats. One of them I acquired recently at the Jurassic World Rebirth premiere. I have 2 baseball caps. One I wore to running the other day, so it's a bit sweaty and it's going in the wash. I launder all my hats. Let me know if you wash your hats through the laundry or hand wash them, because like hats get gross. Like you sweat. Anything that goes outside, I literally throw in the washing machine except my shoes. Like I'll throw my backpack in there without the pins, or I'll just wipe down my backpack because it doesn't really get that dirty. And then I have a bunch of books. I mostly read on my Kindle, so I don't own that many physical books. This one I bought for a video, Summer in the City. This is an Italian kids Bible, so I can learn Italian. Then this book that I got from the dollar store that I have yet to read. It's also set in New York. And then I have a scrapbook down here. For those who know Up, one of my favorite Pixar movies. What are your favorite Pixar movies? Mine are literally Incredibles and Up. Already, having books feels like too much stuff, you know? Like, I'm kind of a minimalist. Okay, starting off with the bag collection. Ephraim just gave me this because he's doing the 9+1 marathon race thing where you run 9 races, small races from NYRR, and then volunteer for one, and that's guaranteed entry into the New York Marathon. For any of you who want to do it, each time you run a race, you get some merch, and I love that it's not always a t-shirt, so he gave me this belt bag. And I use it all the time. I have a Lululemon one back home, but I like to keep that one at home. My other bags that I have here, my siblings gifted me a nice Longchamp 4 years ago, and it is the sweetest and most expensive gift they've given me so far. My brother gave me a DNA test this year for my birthday. I don't know if he was trying to say that I'm adopted. I'm not. But you know, that's like the sibling thing, to make fun of you and be like, huh, you're adopted, double check. I got this year, so this is a recent purchase. It's Italian leather. My tech pouch, my orange tech pouch that Ephraim got me for Christmas. I don't mean to brag, by the way, that things are gifted. You know, Christmas and your birthday. No brands are gifting me anything. And then my tried and true trusty got bag that I gifted myself 2 Christmases ago with my hard-earned money. Made of recycled ocean plastic. I say it in so many videos and I love her so much. The reason why I got her was because I really wanted those Kanken bags that are kind of like a similar style. They've got the handle at the top. I want it to be different, but I also want it to be more eco-friendly, and I love that I found this. I found it by browsing the internet. Like, I didn't see it on Instagram, didn't find out from an influencer. I googled climate-friendly bag and here it is. These are basically all the dresses I own. When I go back for my fall stuff, I don't have a fall dress. So these just sit here during the cold weather months. March through September, I could still wear these. I could wear these for a good 6 months out of the year. But then the other 6 months, I'm gonna have to say goodbye to my dresses. Bye. They're all spring colors too, except for one that maybe I can wear all year round. Oh, and one top that I keep hung up because it's got these chiffon sleeves and the cotton is really wrinkleable. Is that a word? It's easily wrinkled. So I keep her hung up. Let's count how many tops I have actually. If I have 4 bottoms, 4 workout sets, and two tank tops, 4 t-shirts, 3 long sleeves, including this, and 1 blouse. We've got my first 2 dresses from Altered State. It is a Christian brand, which we love to support. We've got this floral blue one, so cute. And then I have this pink chiffon one that makes me feel like a Disney princess. We've got this mint colored comfy linen dress that I kind of wear when I want to be comfy outside and just don't care. Then I have another floral dress, shocker. This one is for really, really hot weather. I usually wear it when I go to Florida or the beach or it's above 85 degrees outside. This lavender romper, I actually stole this from my sister. We've had this since 2015. I wear it all the time. I throw it on all throughout these hot weather days. Then we have a dress that I barely wear. It is this red midi dress. It's my only longer dress. And I usually save these for date night, old Hollywood themed videos, and just anywhere that's kind of fancy. Although red stands out so much. It's great if I'm with a group of friends, they're able to spot me in a crowd. Here in New York, I feel like people dress in all sorts of outfits that can be really high fashion and beautiful, especially downtown in Soho. But in the rest of the boroughs, people dress kind of, you know, casual. And then as it gets colder, people wear more black. So the color in the city of clothing goes down a lot. So people in the Northeast wear neutral. That's just how it is. I would love to go to a place where everyone dresses more colorfully. It's my dream to go to New Orleans during Mardi Gras for that very reason. I love color. I love color. It makes me so happy. Now for my only 2 jackets that I've used for the past 5-6 months actually is this denim Ralph Lauren jacket that I thrifted 2 years ago and started putting national park patches on the back because last year I visited 3, which was amazing. I also wear her in the fall and winter, so she's an all year round type of jacket. Another all year round type of jacket is my LL Bean windbreaker that I got in 2021, so 4 years ago. She's not that water resistant, but I use her as a rain jacket. I also will run in this sometimes because it really traps heat inside. I sweat so much wearing this windbreaker. Again, no insulation, but I have an insulated puffer jacket back home, so if I wore that underneath, this is still good for fall and winter when it's not too cold out. When it gets really cold though in New York City, it's the down jackets, it's the big puffers. These jackets are so useless. But for most of the year, if it's above 50 degrees, these jackets are great. Above 45 if you layer with them. I don't know what that is in Celsius for the rest of the world. I'm so sorry. I'm so American. Now I gotta try all this stuff on. But before I do that, let's go through my shoe collection. Okay, I'm over here now. For the shoe collection, Ephraim just recently purchased this gorgeous shoe rack that opens like this. His is the top row. Ephraim's got a nice collection too. I could fit more because I'm clearly smaller than Ephraim. We have my flats. I don't know what brand they are, but they are so comfy. My tried and true Nike Cortezes. This is my second pair. The first one I had for 4 years. This one I've had only 1 year and it's already starting to peel. It's a different version of the Cortez with a puffer outside, so maybe that could be why. Then I have 2 running sneakers here. Them both I alternate for training because if you run 4 times a week, you should ideally have 2 pairs of shoes so that you could give your shoes a break. I'm no running expert. I'm training for my second marathon and my sister's the expert. She's done 4. Those are my 4 pairs of shoes. I'm going to bring over for the fall time my Blundstone boots, which I love to travel with. They are supposed to last literally a lifetime. Okay, that is everything I have in New York, / my spring and summer capsule wardrobe that is less than, I'll do the math later in editing, this many pieces. I hope you enjoy and I'm excited for the fall time. I will see you in the next video. Happy decluttering / transitioning your clothes for the season.